Hello and welcome to today's quick video on how to get more out of your pendulum by using resource lists. My name is Renu Arora and I'm an energy healer who uses a pendulum in all of my work. And I'm here today to teach you how to master using your pendulum too. Let's dive in. So most of the time when you're using a pendulum, you'll be using it to ask yes or no questions. So it could be, should I go to this party? Or should I buy that item, or whatever it is. Now that's kind of a standard way. Another thing people do with their pendulums could be directing them, like helping find lost items. So you can walk around your house and maybe your pendulum will point you in the direction you should go. That's another way. Yet another way is to use pendulum charts, like the ones I have here. You see there's a semicircle with a whole pile of answers like that. You can ask a question. This one's a percent chart. What's the percentage chance that I'm gonna get that job or something, whatever it happens to be, and you hold it over your chart and it'll give you an answer that way. Those are all really commonly used methods for getting answers out of your pendulum. Now, if you want to do more with your pendulum, if you get really creative, you can explode the number of answers that you can get out of it. Now, my go-to way of using a pendulum is with lists, with resource lists. So one of the things I like to do maybe is to create my to-do list for the day or something like that. So for this demonstration, I created a little to-do list. So I had 15 options on my list. All possible things I could do after filming this video with you today. How do you use them? Because it's numbered, I make it really, really easy for myself. Let's find out what I should do after filming today's video. So, just to let you know, my yes is front to back and my no is side to side. I have 15 numbers here on my list. So if I want to figure out what I should do, I should say, all right, should my next activity be in 1 through 5? I gotta know. 6 through 10. Oh, look at that. It's in 6 through 10. Is it number 6? Number 7. Number 7. What's number 7? Oh, yeah, that makes sense. I'm going to a party tonight, and it says prepare for the party. Yep. That totally makes sense as a thing I need to be doing this evening. So that's what I'm going to do tonight. And I could then ask, what I want to do after that. Once that's done, doesn't matter. But you can see how if you are creative, you can create lists for anything. Now, in my healing work, I use much more expansive lists. I have 200 things that I could look for. So you might, if you've got larger numbers, need to narrow it down, maybe into columns and then rows. If you've got, say, 100 numbers, instead of going in 5s, you might go in blocks of 10 or blocks of 20 and then narrow it down that way. Whatever you do, it's a phenomenal way of getting really any answer you like. It expands things so you're no longer just working with straight up yes and no. You've got so much power there. So many possibilities open up to you. So if you like that tip, I've got far more of them in my other YouTube videos and in my book, My No Nonsense Guide to Pendulums. For information on how to get my book or on other dowsing tips, you can click the link in my bio or check out the description under this video. Until next time, happy dowsing.